Nintendo has initiated a lawsuit against Tropic Haze, the developers behind the Yuzu Emulator, a popular Nintendo Switch emulator. The lawsuit, filed in Rhode Island, accuses Tropic Haze of facilitating piracy on a colossal scale, particularly highlighting over 1 million instances of piracy involving the game The Legend of Zelda: Tears of the Kingdom before its official release. Nintendo's legal action seeks not only damages but also aims for a total shutdown of the emulator software, alleging that Yuzu contributes to and induces copyright infringement by distributing the software to users. Nintendo's stance is rooted in the claim that Yuzu enables the circumvention of Nintendo Switch's software encryption, thereby facilitating the piracy of Nintendo games. The lawsuit specifically points to Yuzu's website, which provides guides on dumping games from the Nintendo Switch and includes links to software that unlawfully extracts decryption keys from the console. The case against Yuzu is brought under the Digital Millennium Copyright Act (DMCA), focusing on the circumvention of copyright protection systems. Experts believe that given the DMCA's provisions, Nintendo has a strong legal footing, and the average small emulator company will likely comply with a cease and desist order based on these grounds. This lawsuit follows a pattern of Nintendo's aggressive legal stance against emulation and piracy. In the past, Nintendo has taken similar actions against other emulator developers, reflecting its zero-tolerance policy towards piracy and the unauthorized distribution of its games. In a significant development regarding the lawsuit filed by Nintendo against Tropic Haze, the developers behind the Yuzu emulator, there has been an update from the Yuzu team itself. Contrary to initial reports indicating no response from the Yuzu developers, they have indeed broken their silence. The Yuzu team's statement, as depicted in the screenshot from X, confirms that they have taken formal steps to address the lawsuit by securing legal representation. This move signifies their readiness to engage with the legal challenges posed by Nintendo's accusations of facilitating piracy on a colossal scale. The response from Yuzu marks a crucial turning point in the legal battle, highlighting the emulator developers' commitment to defending their projects and potentially setting the stage for a rigorous legal confrontation. This update is pivotal, not only for the parties directly involved but also for the broader community interested in game emulation and the legal nuances of copyright and digital rights management. The involvement of legal counsel for Yuzu underscores the complexity and seriousness of the allegations made by Nintendo, as well as the potential implication for the distribution and use of emulator software in the digital age. As the legal proceedings unfold, the gaming and tech communities will undoubtedly watch closely to see how this case might influence the future of game emulation, digital copyright enforcement, and the balance between intellectual property rights and the ethos of digital innovation and accessibility.